Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Attack on Titan. One of the OVA which was out at the same time than Isla's Notebook. I don't know the name of this one, I can't remember it, but today I'm gonna watch the two other OVA which were out at the same time than Isla's Notebook. Okay? If you don't know me, I already binge watched all of the season 1, I watched the first episode of the season 2, I already watched also the OVA No Regrets Part 1 and Part 2, and Isla Notebook. I'm doing that into that order because of one of you who was kind enough, to tell me in which order I had to watch everything. Thank you for that a lot, because if I would have watched Isla Notebook before the first episode of the season 2, I would have had, a big spoiler about the fact that Titans can talk. At least some, how is it functioning? I still don't know, but I would have had that spoiler, and I really preferred to discover it into Attack on Titan, into the real season. That was such a surprise, that was such a shock, In fact, I was really like, what? You're destroying everything, all of my series, like I described it, during the review of that episode. It's really like, during all of the season 1, you pushed me into a swimming pool full of mysteries and theories, and you told me that my mission was to reach the bottom of it, and that the bottom was at 2 meters, and I was trying, like that with my feet to touch it, and now, in fact, season 2 beginning, you're telling me that in fact it's a 5 meters pool, and now I know that I can't do it just by myself, and I have to imagine more stuff, solutions to try to reach the bottom, like to invent stuff and all. You changed everything, you changed the rules for me by doing that. But I found a way, to make it function, with the theory that I have about an organization of people who created the stupid Titans and the clever Titans, who can be also the clever Titans. Annie's dad was a part of it, Aaron's dad was a part of it, they did that to their kids. Who are they really? I have 2 theories about that. The fact that maybe they are an organization who are trying to destroy the power in place, to take the power, to destroy that society because it's not functioning well for them. Maybe they can be also from another country, like spies who are trying to destroy that town and all of that. I had that little theory at some point that maybe in fact they were working with the government, with the fact that the stupid Titans, they were there to keep you inside of the town, and the clever Titans, they intervene right now because in fact you're too many inside and they needed people to be killed. No, I don't think so now, and even more now that we heard Annie, talking about that society which is not functioning well, about the fact that people are corrupted and all. I think that it's more a political situation. Now that we discovered also that we have a Titan into this world, maybe more than him, maybe other Titans into other worlds, and that this guy, this minister, he knows it, he wants to hide it and all, like, it means that there is a political decision behind that, it means that it's also a religious thing, like they are praying the walls, these guys, so there is really, I think, behind the Titans, a political thing, a religious thing. Maybe in fact my theory was right, about them. Oh, I don't know. But see, I'm keeping all of my theories into my head. There are some that I prefer, than the others. But for now, I'm keeping everything because all of what happened really is changing my theories each time. Like for me, this Beast Titan, it's the first clever Titan that you created based on an animal, and he can talk because of that, and is giving orders to the abnormal titans, because the abnormal titans, they are a mix between stupid and clever titans. So maybe some of them can talk, like it was the case into Isle notebook. Some of them can also obey to your orders because they can understand your language. Like they are based on humans, the stupid titans and the abnormal titans. And the abnormal, they have some maybe abilities that humans have. And you know, the abnormal titan on the last OVA, he could talk, but he was fighting also his instinct of killing humans. So for me, they are really a mix between stupid and clever. Immerse people, I said during the review of that OVA that maybe it was his people, you know, the part of this territory where he was coming from. No, I don't think so anymore. I edited this episode and I thought about it. He said that, and after that, you know, he was like that, like he was respecting her. Maybe Emir's people, for him, it represents people like her, like maybe with the uniform, you know, of the Survey Corps, maybe all humans. For me, maybe Emir, it's one of the people who created him, or maybe the name of the organization which created him. You know, for me, Emir, it's related to the persons who created him. One guy or the organization. Because of the fact that he was paying his respect, you know, to her. And maybe he thought that she was a part of that organization or she was like that person because of the uniform. It would be really bad. It would mean that the Survey Corps, they were involved into that at some point. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there with my series. I'm gonna watch this OVA. I checked, you know, the beginning of it at the end of Isle Notebook to be sure that they were not working together, so I know that we're gonna have a little of jam into it, and I'm really glad because you know that it's one of my favorite characters. Mikasa, Armin, Levi, Connie, Sasha, and Jack. These ones, they are my favorite characters right now, with really Levi at the top of it. Like, I can't lie about it, Levi is really like that. But the other ones, I really love them also a lot, like the right there. If they are dying, I'm gonna cry like hell. If at the end we're discovering that they are titans, I'm gonna feel so betrayed, you can't even know. I'm gonna take that really personally. I'm gonna cry and I'm gonna be so mad, I'm gonna insult mothers, okay? I prefer to warn you. Okay, let's go for this OVA. Like always, remember that you have my Patreon on which you can have these videos earlier. We have 2 videos of advance on Patreon with an extended or a full reaction part. Each time I'm telling you in the description and also on the schedule that I post each Monday on Patreon, YouTube and Twitter if you have to expect the extended or the full reaction part, and you have different levels, you know, for this one, so really check that before subscribing. I described everything on my Patreon. It's the best way to support me because right now on YouTube it's a little rough, you know, for little reactors like me. And yes, if you appreciate my work, I mean these videos, if you want to support me, to encourage me to continue, come on my Patreon. That's why I'm making all of this advantage, you know, for you on my Patreon. I'm also making drawings, I'm also sending you letters sometimes. I'm doing really stuff like that. And if you can't, I totally understand that. Don't worry, you can still subscribe, like, comment, share also. Now I'm saying share because I saw that it was helping. On YouTube, it's also helping. Let's go for this OVA about Jan. That's gonna be so good. Ah! You're drawing. It's Mikasa? Talk nice to your mother. You were drawing Mikasa's face before knowing her? It was your dream girl?
俺上力として初めてだよ。いろんな美味しいものがたくさんありますよ。
Oh, you were still young and full of.
じゃあこんなに先生に出ていいの？僕らの任務は前年を取り戻した。沈黙殺してこその兵士だろうが。点数稼ぎたいだけじゃないの。
Annie.
知れ知れ。
Pixies.
飯の時間か。
さっき食べたばかりでしょ。
晩飯はなんじゃろな。
You can be like that, drunk like that, and not good. I love the Pixies from now. You know.
いつもありがとうよ。じゃあ
Connie.
あの標的は俺が先に見つけたんだぞ。
汚い？
理屈を持ち出すんじゃねえ、芋女。
Potato meow.
みんな忘れたと思ってたのに。
Never.
サシャに謝れ。
You're defending her. Your duo, I really like it.
ちゃんに会いたくてうずうずしてんのか？そうなんですか。
Calm down. The two of them, they're acting like twins, you know, Connie and Sasha. I love that. You know that I love them, I told you so in intro.
料理で勝負。はい。
Huh?
料理で勝負し。料理じゃ。
You're gonna be good at that.
勝負じゃ。酒をすべて取り上げるべきだ。
料理の何たるか教えてあげますよ。
やったろうじゃねえか。
Of course, you can't refuse a fight.
最高にうまい夜食を持ってくるがえ。
どうしてかいなんか。仕方ないよ、アニ。ハンで力を合わせろって思う。
その臭い点で勝利は間違いねえ。
Ah, you want to eat your dinner? Ah.
なんでサシャが肉の匂いを嗅ぎつけてな。でけえな。
でっかいです。しかも
Whoa. Guys, can you stop doing that?
しかしいつでもこんな風に。
いました。
Ah! Just next to it and sleeping. You're lucky, guys. Really.
おそらくは超大型級。
あれは無理だ。
Sasha?
なんでそんなこと言うんです？私は悲しいですよ。
すまんサシャ。
You're a little excessive, Sasha. I love you so much for that. But you're gonna wake up the beast. We're making so much noise. You eat.
やるぞサシャ。お前が行け。
Go, 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 gadget, go!
とても追いつけないよ。素敵。僕の魔力には勝てないのか。主にノリノリ緑。これで最も美味しい食べ物。
Oh, Sasha, I love you so much.
おい、やめろ。
She's stronger than you. Come on.
こちらにジャンボジャンキルシュタインはおりますでしょうか。
Little Jack.
女の肉に勝つにはさらにすげえ食材が。
Your mom is gonna give you.
ジャンキルシュタインはいるか。
Your mother just met Mikasa? I thought about
ジ
it.
ャンボ、あんたなんでうちに帰ってこないんだい。まったく困った子だよ。その服スープでもこぼしたのかい。しょうがないね。ジャン
Oh, Jan, be nice.
帰れよ。
じゃあ
Jan, she's
皆
nice.
さん出来の悪い息子ですが仲良くしてやってください。
So nice.
そうだジャンボ、お前の好物。
Oh my dear, I'm disappointed. How you are treating your mother?
朝には優しくしてやれよ。ジャンボ。いや、じゃあ。
の食欲には牛の肉が備蓄されてるって話だ。そいつをいただく。
Just because you felt ashamed in front of your friends. He evolved. We saw him evolving. Stop.
ごめんじゃん。
The
マ
two.
ジンさんの体じゃ力になれそうに。私も泥棒なんてリスクを冒せない。
牛の肉だ。違法なに勝つには無敵の牛肉しか。
No, you can cook other stuff.
目的の悪いジャンボなんかじゃねえんだ。
Incompetent little Jam. I think that I can name you Jumbo, you know.
お母様からの預かり物だ。
She is so nice. Don't deserve your mom.
それを食べて頑張ってください。皆さんにあまり迷惑かけるんじゃないよ。
Why are you so mad at her like that?
あんたは本当にオウムが好きなんだね、ジャンボ。
Oh, you are
何があったの？
so cute. You can be a titan. You can be a titan. We're seeing him young and all like he had a normal childhood. You and Levi, you're not titans, and you're already my favorites. I'm tired of you. And Mikasa is really training while you're doing. Mikasa? You're a titan, Mikasa. That's it. That's now that you're confessing it. Really? That big ceremony for that? Did he cook an omelette? Jam?
サシャブラウスの両衛対決を始める。一皿目、サシャブラウス。
It's just a piece of meat with nothing else. Okay, it's great, but put things around it? Good or bad? That much? Okay, Dragon Ball Z, calm yourself. Ah, you're a Titan now. Ah! Ah! All of you, you're Titans. Who is dreaming of that?
うまい酒を飲んだことがない。
Wait a minute. You're dreaming of that, Pixies? It means that you know that we can transform like that at all? Is it supposed to be our dreams and we know already all of that? Or is it supposed to be one of your dreams and it means that one of you knows already all of that?
おお、こりゃまた可愛いの。
Kawaii! The suspense, you know.
指令が何も言わねえぞ。俺たちの勝ちってことだろう。じゃんけん社員の勝ちとする。
I wanted Jam to win. I love Sasha and Connie, you know it. But right there it was easy with that.
肉とは一体何じゃ。
肉であります。
であるからこそ、お主は負けたんじゃ。
これまでお世話になったお芋や人参のことをやります。ただお肉を焼いただけだ。
Should have put potatoes.
焼くしかしてねえのはお前だけじゃねえんだからよ。
Ah!
いいってことよ。
No, it's not a moment, you know, for her to fall in love and stuff like that. It was just the heroic end of that story. Guys,
明日には実家に顔出してやっか。
please. She deserves that, your mom. That was fun, that was really fun. That was an OVA which was there really to make us, the viewers, having fun. We didn't learn anything about really the Titans, about all of this world. We didn't discover big stuff and all. In comparison of the OVAs, you know, the different ones, the last one is the notebook. It was really, you know, for the story to understand stuff about the Titans. This one was more like the other ones about Levi, you know, No Regrets, the one in 2 parts. It was more like that because it was to understand more one character, it was a zoom on one character. It was not based on his memories, you know, like... Yes, it was a memory about that time when they were into that place, you know, and with that competition of cooking, and with his mom who is bothering him, stuff like that. And we had little flashbacks, you know, with him as a kid. He was so cute! So it was memories, it was a zoom on one character to understand him more, to see how he's functioning and how he's thinking. It was about Jan. You know that I love Jan. I told you since a long time now that Levi and Jan are my favorite characters, with also Armin, Sasha and Connie. Sasha and Connie because I love this duo, because they are fun, because really I appreciate them a lot. Armin because of some moments, you know, he made me cry a lot because it reminded me stuff about myself. So that's why I'm attached to these three. But for Jan and Levi, it's really because I can see that their characters are interesting and are really deep, and we can also do a lot of stuff with them, like they can evolve, they can really create a lot of good moments, deep moments, intense moments. So that's why I love these two. So to have one OVA in 2 parts, you know, about Levi, I was already glad. To have one about Jan, I'm glad, of course. The fact that it was a funny one, it's cool, you know, for the show, which is so intense usually, so emotional, so to have a funny episode, you know, OVA, it's really great. Like, we can breathe, like, ooh, okay, that's a vacation, that's a recreation into this world, this universe, that's great. But the fact that it's about Jan, I would have loved for it to be more emotional, you know, something like that. But we had a little of it with that thing about his mother, how he treated his mother. I was really against it, like, no, that woman raised you and was nothing but nice for you during your childhood, but also right now. So the fact that you treated her like that, I don't appreciate it. But what we know about Jan during that period of time, he evolved a lot during the end, you know, of the season 1, he evolved a lot. But during that period of time, he was still having this ego, you know, being like that with people, treating people like that, his friends, not considering them as his friends. And, you know, he was still arrogant, he was still having this attitude, so it represents well that period of time for him. So it's logical that he is like that with his mother. I don't like that at all, but it's logical. I love the end, you know, the fact that he's making that omelette because of his mother. That's great. It's proving for me, you know, I said it during my review of the episode 1 of the season 2, I said it, because of Annie, now I'm gonna suspect all of them to be potential titans, and the only thing which is gonna make me think that they are not titans, that they can't be titans, it's having flashbacks about them, about their childhood, and to see how it is. For me now, I can erase, you know, Levi and Jan as potential titans, and it's so great because it's my 2 favorite characters. It's also great. All of the other ones, like even Mikasa and Armin, I'm not sure yet, because Armin, we don't know a lot about his parents. Mikasa, like, if Dr. Yeager did that to Aaron, why not doing that to Mikasa? I'm not gonna erase these 2 possibilities, even if we saw them as kids and all. And for the other ones, yes, for now, I'm gonna suspect them. I don't want them to be titans, and even more Sasha, Connie, I said it, Mikasa, Armin and Jan and Levi, I don't want them to be titans. But for now, I can just erase the fact that Jan and Levi are titans. And it's so cool, it's so great. I really appreciate that. Thank you, writers, for that. Don't tell me in the comments if I'm wrong about that. Be careful. So yes, it was cool. The little things also about Mikasa training like that, her abs, oh girl, and the fact that she was so strong that moment with Aaron, that was fun. Connie and Sasha were really fun right there, the fact that Sasha is losing, you know, at a cooking competition, it's fun. Yes, really good moments. I'm gonna close that video right now and I'm gonna watch the third OVA, you know, the one which is working with Isle Notebook, this one. But maybe I'm gonna post it at the same time than the next one. I will see that. Check the schedule that I post each Monday on YouTube, Patreon and Twitter to know when I'm gonna post this OVA, how I'm gonna organize that. Okay, it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.